हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आउट विद अभी। आज मेरे साथ है अनुराग। और अनुराग, आपसे आज मैं मिल रहा हूँ, काफ़ी अच्छा लगा। एंड आप जस्ट बताइए, इनकी जर्नी बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है।
So my journey started back in India, this small town called Gurgaon, which is no longer a small town.
Yes.
वहाँ से start हुआ. I was born and brought up there. Chartered accountant by profession. Became a finance professional. And one thing led to another. I got a chance to come to London in 2010.
Okay.
On a job assignment only.
Okay.
And then now rest is history. I'm well settled here with my family.
तो अनुराग के बारे में एक चीज़ आपको मैं बताना चाहूँगा। एक्चुअली हुआ यूँ कि ये तो एक फाइनेंस से रिलेटेड प्रोफेशन से आए हैं, लेकिन आपकी कुकिंग की हॉबीज कहाँ से शुरू हुई?
कुकिंग की हॉबीज शुरू से ही थी, बिकॉज एज अ coming from an Indian household, everything was around cooking. All the festival, my mother used to make amazing food, and so from that's where the bug started. And after moving to this country, actually, because you miss your home food, right? So both myself and my wife, we started cooking quite a lot. We used to host a lot of parties, call friends here.
Yes.
And then and watching a lot of cooking programs. And then somehow I thought, like, can I pursue that as a profession? And luckily last year I got a call from MasterChef UK.
Wow.
And that's how it started.
MasterChef UK is like a, I mean, हमको अगर हम सोचते हैं MasterChef के बारे में तो it is like we can't imagine, but आपको कैसे बिलीव था या आपके अंदर वो जो, मतलब जनरली हम सब लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि यार पता नहीं होगा कि नहीं होगा, लेकिन आपके अंदर ये शुरू से था? आपने पहले भी कुछ काम इसमें किया है?
पहले इसमें कभी कुछ नहीं किया other than cooking at home or cooking for friends and family. But कहीं ना कहीं पे विश्वास था कि yes, if you want to pursue something, if you like something, yeah, give it. One thing is, I think you should give it a go. एक बारी आपको प्रयास जरूर करना चाहिए. रिजल्ट जो भी है, you can't control it, but you can only control what you can do.
एग्जैक्टली। और कुकिंग में जैसे आप जो कुकिंग करते हैं वो आप ज़्यादातर इंडियन कुकिंग ही करते हैं या कोई और भी cuisines हैं which you like?
Surprising बात ये है, being an Indian, I've always like eaten Indian food back in India. After coming here, I truly realized what Indian food is. When जैसे दूर से देखो तो ज़्यादा चीज़ समझ में आती है. So वो हुआ मेरे साथ. और मेरी Indian cooking Indian रही, but वो काफ़ी develop हो गई. I started appreciating different techniques, because in India also, there's nothing called Indian food. There are regional food. The Royal Opera House, in one of the challenges in MasterChef, we came here to cook in one of the finest restaurants on the top floor. It was amazing, right? South, north, east, west, हर जगह की अलग cuisine है.
अलग चीजें हैं.
So that's what I started appreciating. And when I see people here, especially the top chefs, how much they appreciate the technicality in Indian food की जो flavors हैं, combination है, techniques है. So that's what given me like a lot of encouragement to develop my cooking. It was amazing experience, because in MasterChef everybody was so like-minded and loved food. So it used to feel as if like we knew each other for ages. So that was very good. See, this is the front of Royal Opera House, and this is the iconic building. This is beautiful, and you can imagine the kind of opera and ballet takes place there. And when we came here to cook, it was just a dream come true. Even from a cooking perspective, we were 5 of us, and I cooked 1 course. Everybody done other 4 courses. When I started journey, we were 45, and then slowly, I made to top 3. So I think I feel very accomplished.
अब अनुराग, आप अपने कॉलेज डेज के बारे में बताइए। जब आप कॉलेज में थे तो किस तरह का खाना होता था या क्या खाना खाते थे? क्योंकि हमारे फ्रेंड्स को बहुत इंटरेस्ट होगा। हम सब कॉलेज में जैसे रहते थे, आजकल किस तरह से बदल रहा है जमाना।
हाँ, उस टाइम मतलब काफी बेसिक होता था खाना. कि I have done my masters from IIT Roorkee.
अच्छा.
So luckily, like that town Roorkee in Uttar Pradesh was very like homely, very cultured town, I would say. So mess में जो हम खाना खाते थे उसमें कभी हलवा मिलता था. अच्छा. पूरी मिलती थी कभी संडेज वगैरह को. So that used to be nice. Very, very homely food. That was actually first time when I started appreciating my home food after going to hostel, because it wasn't as good as my.
कॉलेज में ही हमको पता चलता है, जब हम मेस का खाना खाते हैं तब हमको लगता है यार घर का खाना बहुत अच्छा है, जबकि हम घर का खाना कितना हम उसको अवॉइड करते हैं.
Exactly. So that has given me a lot of exposure, but it was a different time. So loved every moment of that.
बिल्कुल. अब यहाँ पे आप जैसे यूके में आते हैं तो यहाँ पे आपको बहुत तरह के कल्चर्स के लोग मिलते हैं. आपको क्या लगता है कि यहाँ पे फेमस कौन सा ऐसा क्विजीन होगा या ऐसा कौन सा खाना है जो यहाँ बहुत पॉपुलर, क्योंकि मैं देखता हूँ हर जगह कोई ना कोई अलग अलग कल्चर के फूड काफी अवेलेबल है.
Yeah, the best thing about especially places like London, it is hard to say what is the original about London, and that's what I love about it, because it's so multicultural and people are so lovely. Like काफी open है लोग, सब एक दूसरे के culture. See these colorful rickshaws, so they remind me of back in Delhi. Like we have a lot of three-wheel rickshaws there as well, but here it's more like a tourist destination, and people really like find it very funky and fun thing to do. एक दूसरे के food के लिए, language के लिए, colors, how you look.
Yeah.
So that really kind of also gives me a lot of confidence to feel sure about my own roots.
Yes.
Because sometimes at the back of your mind, wherever you come from in a foreign country, you feel, oh, you are not probably up to the mark, or you are inferior or superior. It could be either way.
Correct.
But here, first time I felt whoever I am, from wherever I come from, I don't need to feel doubtful about it.
ये एक चीज मेरे को लगता है, क्योंकि जब भी मैं यहाँ आता हूँ दूसरों को देख के मेरे को ऐसा लगता है यार मैं ऐसा नहीं हूँ, या मेरे को कॉन्फिडेंस कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है ना कि आप बाहर से आए हैं और यहाँ के लोग इतने बढ़िया, मतलब अपने खाने पीने से रिलेटेड या कोई भी फैशन से रिलेटेड. मैं तो
So this is Covent Garden, heart of London. This is the most vibrant place in London, and it is not about food or just tourists. There is a vibe to this place. This place comes alive in the evening, especially.
को लगता है. लेकिन वो कॉन्फिडेंस आप में कैसे आया जब आप यहाँ मास्टर शेफ आपने शुरू किया? आपकी जर्नी के बारे में बताइए, कैसे ये मास्टर शेफ का जर्नी शुरू किया?
मास्टर शेफ की जर्नी तो मतलब ऐसे कि एकदम कहीं से ख्याल आया कि let me apply.
Yeah.
Then obviously I was watching MasterChef for last 10 years, so you get quite excited. You see people from all cultures coming in. You feel confident. If they can do it, I can also do it. So that was the trigger.
Yeah.
But once I've been there, I think my confidence and probably that acknowledgement about my own cuisine, my own culture, my own being as such.
Yeah.
So that has increased multifold.
So basically जब आप यहाँ पे देखते हैं, यहाँ तो एकदम मिशेलिन स्टार शेफ्स होते हैं, दे आर टोटली इन अ डिफरेंट जोन. और मैं भी जब होटल मैनेजमेंट किया था तो मैंने भी काफी शेफ्स को देखा था, लेकिन आप अगर अपने आप को देखें कि अरे ऐसे लोग भी यहाँ पे हैं और हमारे को एक ऐसा मौका मिला, तो कैसा लगा?
It feels very nice. It feels very nice, very fulfilling, very contentment. And at the end of the day, जैसे मैं कहता हूँ, मेरा खुद का Instagram जो handle है, it's called Anurag Food Story.
Definitely watch and follow him on that.
Anurag Food Story. So for me, food is not about ingredient. Food is not about cuisine.
Yes.
It's not about whether Michelin star, non-Michelin star. It's about story. Yeah, they are kind of a mixed bunch. Indian restaurants see, look at the rickshaw with music, open music. So Indian restaurants are like two types of Indian restaurant. One is authentic, one is not authentic. Authentic, you'll get very good food, probably a bit high end. Non-authentic is more like tuned to the British taste, which is very curry based, bit sweeter, not that much spices. So it's a mixed bag. But I like Indian food cooked at my home only. And probably one day when I'll open a restaurant there. You'll be surprised to know people here like spicy food. But if you offer them the right authentic food, they would really appreciate it. But sometimes, like me being an Indian or other restaurant owners who are Indian, they think that if they tone down things, it will be more in demand. But to me, I think that's a wrong thing. Every food, everything, whatever you eat, there is a story linked to it. There's some emotion attached to it. You say, oh, I used to eat it and my mother used to make it very beautiful. So whether it was Michelin star or not, does it really matter? No. So for me, food carries that emotion. Food is that medium which carries different stories with that. And I think I have started believing in my story more and more once I started thinking from that fashion. So yeah, everybody has their own style, whether it's Michelin star, street food.
Yes.
Doesn't matter. I'll give you another story. Like in Mumbai, I worked for 2 years. And to be honest, like the professionalism, what I have seen on street vendors in Mumbai, that is remarkable.
Yeah.
So
they're so dedicated,
perfectionist, and of course, their produces like whatever they create, dishes are perfect. Like
हमेशा याद भी रहता है हमको जब हम जाते हैं कि अरे यहाँ पे जाके खाना.
Yes. So that's food to me. Obviously, there will be different levels, different clientele, so you have to like cater accordingly. But my message to everybody is just believe in whatever you do, whether it's food or something. Food to me is an art, and you can't force any art.
You can't force any art. And आपके जब घर पे आप बता, आई मीन जनरली लेडीज का हम बोलते हैं ना माँ का खाना, लेकिन आप एज अ गाय व्हेन यू आर कुकिंग, आई मीन व्हाट इज द फीलिंग, यू नो, क्योंकि हमारे इंडिया में जनरली हम बोलते हैं कि यार खाना तो लेडीज ही बनाती है, वही अच्छा, लेकिन अपने अंदर भी वो टैलेंट आपको कैसे पता चला?
So I think I'll give a lot of credit to my late mother who passed away a few years ago. So I think उन्होंने हमें हमेशा encourage किया कि again you are right, like it is supposedly be a like female job, but she always used to be very encouraging. Yeah, you go ahead, do something, cook something you want to cook, that's fine. So I think that confidence came from there. So in my household per se there was no distinction ये female job है या ये male job है. So there was like my brother, my father also used to cook.
Yes.
But I had that extra, you can say, passion that I wanted to do it quite a lot.
तो देखिए आप, अब हमारे देश में जब हम कोई अगर कुकिंग में गाइस जाते हैं तो उनको ऐसा लगता है कुछ अलग तरीके से देखते हैं, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ नहीं, ये एक तरह का एक आर्ट फॉर्म है, एक फीलिंग है जो आप अपना एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं खाने के के साथ है। और बाकी आपका जो स्ट्रीट फूड में आपका फेवरेट फूड क्या है और क्या क्या आपको पसंद है आपके
स्ट्रीट फूड में? It has to be golgappa, pani puri, puchka, whatever you want to call it.
Yes.
So I in North India, Delhi side पे हम golgappa कहते हैं, उसे कहीं बतासे कहते हैं।
Yes.
So in fact मेरी MasterChef में finals में starter dish was golgappa.
Golgappa, wow.
So golgappa is like something like it's my death row dish. If I have to like somebody tell that you're going to die in 5 minutes, probably that will be my last dish I would like to consume.
That is really true. And okay, now for example अभी कोई youngsters हैं जो अभी कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे हैं, not only to do with the cooking field but any field, what would your suggestion be? Because हम सबको ऐसा लगता है कि यार ये हमारे हाथ में नहीं हो सकता, but आप क्या बोल सकते हैं?
I think सबके लिए मेरे लिए एक ही मैसेज होगा, which I personally believe very honestly. So I'm more into like philosophy also. I study Gita, Vedanta.
Okay.
So जैसे कहते हैं ना, कर्म करो फल की चिंता मत करो. In very simple words, chase your passion, never chase success. So whatever passion you have, make sure you do justice to that. Don't take it lightly and follow it till the end.
Yeah.
But don't chase success. If you pursue a passion to get successful, get some fame, it would never work.
तो मतलब ये है कि एक जर्नी है, आप एक जर्नी में चल रहे हैं, अब उसमें जो भी हो सकता है, बट हमको ऐसा नहीं सोचना कि हमको इसमें जीतना ही है, हम अपना काम कर रहे हैं।
जीतना हारना तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं सोचना, बट इवन की डोंट इवन थिंक अबाउट कि ये मैं करूंगा तो इससे फेमस हो जाऊंगा, ये मेरे पास मनी आ जाएगी। वो आनी होगी तो अपने आप आ जाएगी, नहीं आनी होगी तो कभी नहीं आएगी। बट जो आपका पैशन है ना, आपके पास, वो बहुत खुशकिस्मत लोग होते हैं, दे आर वेरी फ्यू लकी पीपल हु कैन से दिस इज आवर पैशन। You know, and if you ask 100 people ki aapki what are your hobbies, what are your passion, I'm sure 80% won't have any answer whatsoever. So if you have any passion, whatever it may be, in any field, sports, cooking, music, dance, studies, right?
Yes.
So just acknowledge that and give your best to do something about it.
And one more question is, अभी जैसे you are into a different profession, but cooking is something which you always had in your heart. तो आप जो लोग जो they're stuck in that 9 to 5 job, अब उनको क्या लगता है कि यार मैं यहाँ पे फंस गया हूँ या मैं इसमें बिजी हूँ तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, एंड उसमें फिर जो इंटरेस्ट जैसे गाने का हुआ या कुकिंग का, तो उसमें जाते भी नहीं है, वो भले वो अंदर से है, तो आप उनको क्या बोलेंगे कि कैसे वो कर सकते हैं कुछ ऐसा पैशन को?
So इसमें हर किसी की अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ है, अपनी पर्सनल प्रायोरिटीज हैं, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज हैं. So yeah, obviously you have to take a balanced approach. It's not like you have to leave everything and just pursue your passion.
Yes.
You have to make a sense. That's where common sense come into picture. Like see what works for you.
Yeah.
But you have to take that first step. Nobody's going to take it for you.
Exactly.
So you have to get out of that comfort zone. Nowadays, especially thanks to COVID, now everything has become so modular, so flexible.
Flexible, yes.
So there's nothing called that you have to work for all days, do your passion for all days. You can mix and match.
Mix and match, yeah.
But we just, you have to take the first step. Nobody else is going to take it.
ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको कोई लेके जाएगा, आपके अंदर से आना चाहिए तभी वो.
Yeah, you'll make time. You make time for 100 things.
Yeah.
You can make time for one passion.
Definitely.
It's not a big ask.
And what is the future for Anurag in the coming few days, or what are your plans?
So again, like I feel like life is like a river. Like as if I'm just water. I need to flow with just the current, and I'll keep giving my best.
Yeah.
I'll have the best intentions, and see wherever it will take me.
ठीक। एंड आपका कभी इंडिया में आके अभी आप यहाँ पे यूके में सेटल है, बट आप इंडिया में आ रहे हैं तो कभी आएंगे तो आपका क्या कुछ प्लान है? क्योंकि हमारे गांव में काफ़ी ऐसा अंदर प्रेशर है, बट वो बाहर निकलने में उनको कुछ वो दे आर वेरी मच रिजर्व्ड, और उनको लगता है कि हम बाहर जा नहीं सकते। जैसे कि गांव वाले लोग उनमें बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, बट वो निकलते नहीं है, तो उनको क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
उनको मैं ये मैसेज देना चाहूँगा कि अगेन बाहर भी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये करो अपने आप से पूछो बाहर निकलना क्यों है, कि कुछ अच्छा। ऑब्वियसली इट्स इजियर फॉर मी टू से दैट कि बाहर आके भी सेम है लाइफ, जो कहीं और है उसका एस्पिरेशन है कि मैं लंदन आऊँ या कहीं और। राइट, देयर इज ऑलवेज दैट, देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग अबाउट इट, बट यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट जहाँ पे भी हो आप खुश रहो, अपना अच्छा से काम करो, अच्छी लाइफ जियो, दैट्स ऑल अबाउट। क्योंकि क्या होता है, आपने एक टारगेट लिया, वो पूरा हो गया, फिर आप दूसरे टारगेट, तो इट्स अ रैट रेस, राइट, इट इज नेवर एंडिंग, दैट्स व्हाट आई रियलाइज।
दिल के सुनो और बाकी जो होगा वो होता रहेगा।
या वो होता रहेगा। डू वर्क सेंसिबली, ultimately, and again the calling came in COVID, you know, like when COVID started, you realize life is so fragile. If somebody sneezes on you, you can simply die in 2 weeks.
Yeah, that's true.
Right, so the security, perfection is just myth.
Exactly, कुछ भी सिक्योर नहीं है, कल को कुछ भी हो जाए, लेकिन आप अपनी लाइफ को अच्छे से जिए और अपना हार्ट से जो भी होता है वो करते रहिए। और आई थिंक और कुछ final words for wisdom to all of viewers.
So think about it, like I'm going to give you some very intellectual thought what I'm studying in Vedanta. कुछ भी सिचुएशन होती है कि हम कई बार ये सोचते हैं कि ये क्यों हो रहा है, ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, हमारे साथ ही क्यों हुआ, या we feel very small, right? That time think about who are you, think about it, who are you, introspect on that thought. I don't have answer for you, what is the answer to this, but when you truly introspect, think about who am I, it will show you the right path in whatever you are doing, whatever you want to do.
Wow, so it's a lovely conversation with you, Anurag, and all the very best
Thank
for
you
your
so much,
future. And similarly, we'll keep you on track with whatever he is doing, and you can also follow his social media handles. I'll put it across.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
We'll see you soon. Thank you.
Bye bye.